Hi everybody, this is Lorraine from Paper Ferns. Today I'm going to do the very first page. Actually it's not even the first page, it's the inset of the book on my art journal. I've never done an art journal before, so I thought maybe you could come along with me as I'm doing this. I'm so excited that I've already got glue on some paper. Anyway, this is from some paper stuff I was just messing with a long time ago. So I just thought I would try, begin with something like this. As you know, I'm a complete newbie at this. So let's hope it's not a complete disaster. I'm sitting here in the dining room and it's snowed quite a bit. I think we had about 15 to 20 centimeters. When we went out, it was almost up to my shins on the staircase, on the patio stair. So I don't know how the weather is where you are. Mind you, I love the snow. I really like the snow. I'm just kind of grabbing kind of stuff. They might even fit together, but I just thought that's going to be fun just to do, make or do whatever I feel. I guess that's the whole point, right? It's for art journal, you just do what you want to do. And I wonder if there's anybody else out there too is a newbie at art journaling. Have you started, or where do you get your ideas from? I've looked at some YouTube channels, but a little bit, but I'm just gonna slap stuff down here. This book, which was kind of fun, I got at Indigo. It's a bookstore here in Canada, Chapters Indigo, and it was originally $20 and I got it for $5. And what I thought too was would be a good, cheaper, is if you bought, sometimes they sell off, like the 2023 diary. Nobody wants to use it because, in 2024, because, and hey, it'd be great just to put stuff on it and use that, save a little bit of money there. So I'm just going to continue doing this, and I'll put a little music on, and you could just enjoy and watch. I'm adding in a little bit of Christmas paper here because I'm doing this very close to Christmas. So I just thought, I need to just put a little bit in there so that when I look back, You know, it's like a little momentum. And this too, a little for momentum for Christmas. Okay, I'm getting carried away with the Christmas thing here. There we go. I tested this on my Craft Buddy, but this didn't, the die I had was very intricate and it didn't quite come out. So I'm going to put it here, just so I'd use it up. Bit of glitter. Oh, I love my glitter. Oh, I love glitter. Bit of water, don't get it everywhere. I probably will. Oh yeah, lots of glitter there. Oh yeah. Lots of it there. Yeah. Got to get into the season. Okay. Now I know that's, well, that's obviously a Mod Podge. But it's kind of fun just to put anything down, grab things and put things down, right? And it's my first page. Guess I'll go let it dry. Now I have this. I just thought this was really cute, and I thought, you know, I've just started this YouTube channel, and I also have started another YouTube channel where I like to sew and do. I'm learning slow stitching, which is called Miss Petunia Dingles. And so I thought, I believe dreams come true. So I thought I'll give this a try. So I thought maybe I could put it, where should I put it? There. Maybe right there, so I can, right there. Right there. There. And to keep in with the bird theme, I bought a packet of, I got them from the paper feathers from the Dollarama. There was a pack, I think of 29. Sometimes you can find some good stuff in the Dollarama. So I thought I could put some of these, pick a few of these feathers and just place them. That's a nice spot there. I don't know if they're glue-ons. Probably are stick-ons, but my hand is so messy. Look at the mess on them. They've got glue all over them. So I'll just use some glue there. Okay, I'm going to put it right there. There. And keeping with the bird theme. I also had this. Do it that way. And that one. Should I put that on? I thought I put that on. Actually, I think I'll just leave it like that. I like the little deers. Like that. So there's that there. And let's see if I can get one. Put one there. And there. Yeah, I feel like there's not as much. There's a lot going on here. What about there? No, I think I'll leave that, but I'm going to use this here. I don't like this as much. I'm going to use a bit more of this, probably a bit more. I'm telling you, just grab stuff, put it on. It's fun. Hopefully, you know, as I go on, maybe I'll be a bit more focused. But I thought you could come along as I just slap things on a page. It is fun. It is fun. Oh, I wanted to put this. I could put that there. I was using my Craft Buddy. I just got it recently. And I actually made it, it was from an envelope, but I actually like that part rather than the white side. So I'm going to put the, keeping in with the bird theme and the Christmas theme. So, right there. Keep it right like that. And like that. Right there. Hope you can see that. Okay. And there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry. You can see some of it's not glued down properly. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll probably do a whole layer of glue on top of it. I don't know if that will even help. Some of it's not staying down. There. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. And thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. It's my first page. I don't know if anybody else has just started a journal. Maybe you could mention it down below. And I'm sure that people who have been doing it for years might have a few pointers for me. Thank you and take care. Bye.